how to use speech rhymes to develop a sense of beat in your beginners and give them an understanding of rhythm. Hello, I'm Paul Myatt and welcome to Teaching Tactics. Teaching Tactics is about giving back and sharing forward inspiration and ideas to piano teachers around the world, just like I've had from wonderful teachers over the years. You know, beat is critical for playing music. Actually, beat is critical for life. Everything we do requires a sense of beat. Think about it. As babies develop, all their physical activities involve rhythm and have a beat. Crawling, walking, jumping, running, hopping, and so on. And beat becomes critical for developing language and then reading. So really, beat and rhythm are incorporated in some way in just about everything in life. As piano teachers, I think it's really important to remember to include beat and rhythmic development in lessons. 100 years ago, Carl Orff in his Schulwerk used language and speech to develop the foundations of beat and rhythm. Today, I'd like to share a beat and rhythm activity that you can do with your students that is not only fun, but helps develop rhythmic skills in students of all ages. Now, I can't tell you how many teachers have reached out to me to let me know how much their students enjoyed this activity. It's been used in one-on-one lessons, group lessons, and I've even had a couple of teachers who work in schools tell me that they had the whole school doing this activity. In the studio at Piano Teaching Success, we call this the Shark Radetzky March, and it's part of our Rhythm of the Sea module. I'm here, you're there. Copy me so I can get you ready to have some fun too. Great big blue whale. Crab, crab. Shark, shark, shark. Shark, shark, lobster, shark. You're all set to go. My students love this activity, and you can try it out with any recording of Radetzky March. Let me know in the comments if you think your students would have fun with this, or if you try it out, I would love to see it. Over in the studio by Piano Teaching Success, we have our own version of Shark Radetzky March with all the printables. Check out the studio and what's inside. Just hop over to pianoteachingsuccess.com. Well, that's all we've got time for today. If you'd like to see more teaching ideas like this, click the like and subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for joining me, Paul Myatt, and see you in the next episode of Teaching Tactics.